Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start exercise 12.4. So see here, in this figure there are squares: 1 square, 2 square, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares are there. So area of total figure will be 8 square. Okay, 8 centimeter square. Clear? Because each square has area 1 square centimeter, 1 square unit. So total area will be 8. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total area will be 8. Now perimeter. Perimeter, you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. L is equal to 4. L is equal to 4. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 3. So L is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. So you can find perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, you know formula, 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 to the 14. So 14 centimeter is the perimeter. Okay, and area 8. Clear? Similarly, you can do second also. Second, you see, second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares. So area is 8. And perimeter, for perimeter you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Length is 4 and breadth is 1, 2, 3. So breadth is 3. Similarly, you find out perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into 4 plus 3, 2 into 7, that is 14. Area is equal to 8. Clear? So in the same way, you try other parts also. Other parts of this exercise in the same way. I am sending its attachment also. You try to do. Okay. Now next exercise, which is important, exercise 12.5. 12.5. A passport size photograph is 4 centimeter long and 3.5 centimeter broad. What is the area of photograph? You know area of photograph or area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So you can multiply. Area of photograph is equal to length into breadth, and length into breadth means length is 4 into breadth is 3.5. So 4 into 3.5, that is, multiply that, you will get 14 square centimeter. Now question number 2. Find the area of the stamp whose side is 2.5 centimeter in length. Find the area of stamp whose side is 2.5 centimeter is in length. So see, stamp is in the form of square. Stamp is in the form of square. So what is area? Length, the same will be breadth also. Okay, so area of stamp is equal to 2.5 into 2 side into side, that is 2.5 into 2.5, and this is 6.25. Yeah. In the same way, question number 3. Rohit and Kamal are playing in a room which is 5.5 meter long and 3.5 meter in breadth. Means 5.5, L is equal to 5.5 and B is equal to 3.5. So what is the area? You can find out area is equal to length into breadth. So 5.5 into 3.5. You can multiply. Clear? Now question number 4. A square park has a length of 100 meter. What is the perimeter? You know is perimeter of a square park. Perimeter of a square park is 4 into side. So 4 into 100, that is 400. What is its area? Area of a square is equal to side square, means 100 into 100, that is 10,000. So in this way you can do that also. Okay. Now question number 5. 5 in the same way. A picture is 1.5 meter long and 50 centimeter broad. You see 1.5 meter long and 50 centimeter broad. One is in meter, another is in centimeter. So what will you do? 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 into 100 centimeter, means 120 centimeter, na? And 50 centimeters. So length is 120 meter, 20 centimeter, and breadth is 50 centimeter. So what is the length of wooden frame needed for framing the picture? What is the area of the glass required to cover the picture in the frame? So in the same way you try to do this also. Okay. So today I am sending these questions, you try to do. Okay, I am sending its attachment also. Okay, thank you, may God bless you all, have a nice day.